In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $150,270 in commission just by promoting affiliate links using free traffic. Okay, I will share with you guys new affiliate link that you should start promoting on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. I will share with you guys step by step for beginners who want to start making money with affiliate marketing business. I will show you guys step by step how you can start, how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and how we can join affiliate marketing step by step. I will make it super easy and simple for free, of course, without investing any money. We will just use free traffic and that's it. It took me almost 2 years to earn this commission. I started this business from December 2021 until today. I'm still promoting affiliate links, I'm still getting commission, and as you can see in my balance over here, I have $5,125 in commission available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. So anyways, for people who are new to this business and you want to start making money with affiliate marketing business, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. It's super easy. So just come to this page and scroll down, keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. So to join Fiverr affiliates, just click over here on join now and you will be directly in this Fiverr sign up process page, as you can see. And the sign up process page to Fiverr affiliates the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Scroll down. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. It's super easy, as you can see. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to Google, okay, and you will search for this website that we will use to promote our affiliate links for free. Search for Pinterest. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, and make sure to open business account. Okay, not personal account. We need Pinterest business account. After you finish, go back to your home page on Fiverr. I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, so now I will share with you guys which affiliate link I was promoting on Pinterest to get commission. Okay, I was promoting a lot of affiliate links and this is one of my profitable affiliate links. Okay, click on the search and search for TikTok video editing. Okay, search for TikTok video editing. Scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step 2. Okay, so always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so what you will do, you will choose, so for example I will choose this one. So this one has 5 star, a lot of reviews. This service is such for 20 bucks, $20. I will click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. Copy his profile link, just copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this profile seller link here. Okay, and click over here again and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, so what you need to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest like this. Okay, and click over here on home feed, click on create pin and you will be directly in this page. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down and click on his picture, double click and save this picture to your laptop. Okay, I will save this picture to my laptop like this, and I will go to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture. Okay, open, and here you go. So what you need to do next, you just need to put title, description and your affiliate link. So what you will do, you will go back to this seller profile page and you need to copy his title like this and go to Pinterest and put this title over here. Okay, description, go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, you should see over here about this gig. Okay, this is his description. I will copy this part, I will go to Pinterest and I will put this description here. It's really super easy. Okay, scroll down, you need to put here your affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, go to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. Okay, like this, click on choose a board. Okay, and click over here on create a board if you have new account, and you just need to give it a name and that's it. It's super easy. Okay, and you can create as many as you want. So I already have a lot. I will choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put here a keyword or tags. Okay, go back to this seller profile page, keep scrolling down. So just keep scrolling down and you should see related tags. Okay, copy those keywords. Okay, like this one, go to Pinterest and put those keywords here. Okay, go back and I will copy this one like this. After you finish, click on publish. Okay, and here you go, you just published your first Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest. It's super easy. And did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors? Okay, 1 billion monthly visitors. Millions of people are using Pinterest. You can get so much traffic from Pinterest and you can grow your account fast. Okay, there is so much traffic. Okay, you just need to grow your account and you can start getting views and making and getting clicks and getting commission. Okay, but you need to stay consistent. Of course, it's depending on your work, commission depending on your work. If you will stay consistent or not, I don't know. It's depending on you, and that's it. This is the method that I'm using. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos. And by the way guys, if you have new account, if you just created Pinterest new account, promote just between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. Okay, if you promote a lot, your account will get banned. Okay, you need to warm your account. After a few weeks, then you can start promoting 5 to 7 affiliate links per day. But if you just started just 1 2 affiliate links per day, it's enough. Okay, and make sure to promote also your affiliate links on Facebook, YouTube Shorts, Twitter, Quora, Instagram, and so much more. I share all those methods are in my YouTube videos. Check my YouTube videos for free. I share those methods for free, and that's it. And see you in my next video.